This video from Casio Help, we're taking a look at a factory reset on the PCR-T2400 machine. We're using the 3000 model to demonstrate, but the process is the same. First of all, you need to disconnect the machine from the power, remove the memory protection batteries, and make sure that you have the PGM key inserted in the off position. Once you've done these three things, you can press journal feed and hold it down, and then reconnect the machine to the power. Once the BT init message is displayed, you can release journal feed and type in the reset code 13040. You then press subtotal and subtotal again, and it comes up with the main initialization screen, which means you need to re-enter the code and then press subtotal followed by cache amount to end. The machine will take about 45 seconds to a minute to perform the initialization, and this will basically completely wipe the machine apart from the date and time back to factory settings, so all programming removed, all sales data turned back to zero. So you might do this if you were perhaps buying the machine second hand and looking to reprogram it and start from scratch, or perhaps the machine's developed a problem which you were unable to resolve and you want to start again. Once the initialization procedure is finished, you'll get a little receipt printout confirming it, and then from there you can then start programming the machine and start selling items on it from scratch. For more information on Casio cash registers, please subscribe to our YouTube account or visit casiohelp.co.uk. Thanks for watching.